Ley lines and Earth energy grids, fact or fiction? The idea of ley lines and Earth energy grids has intrigued spiritualists, geographers, and archaeologists for centuries. These concepts suggest that Earth's surface is crisscrossed by invisible lines of energy that connect sacred sites, ancient monuments, and natural wonders. Proponents claim these lines form a global energy network, influencing natural phenomena, human consciousness, and even historical events. However, skeptics argue that ley lines and energy grids are merely coincidental alignments or a product of human imagination. Here we dive into the origins, theories, and debates surrounding ley lines and Earth energy grids. What are ley lines? Ley lines are hypothetical alignments of ancient landmarks, sacred sites, and natural features. The term was popularized by Alfred Watkins, an amateur archaeologist and antiquarian, in his 1925 book The Old Straight Track. Watkins theorized that ancient peoples deliberately constructed sites like stone circles, burial mounds, and temples along straight paths for spiritual or practical purposes. Key features of ley lines. 1. Alignment of sites. Ley lines often connect prehistoric and historic landmarks such as Stonehenge, the Great Pyramids, Machu Picchu, and sacred mountains. 2. Sacred geometry. Some believe ley lines align with geometric patterns or sacred geometry, reflecting the harmonious design of the universe. 3. Energy pathways. Proponents claim these lines act as conduits for Earth's natural energy, which can be harnessed for healing, meditation, or enhancing consciousness. Earth energy grids. Concept of Earth energy grids takes ley lines to a global scale. Proponents argue that the Earth is enveloped in a geometric grid system resembling a lattice of energy. This grid is said to align with key geographic locations, including ancient sites, and mirrors patterns found in nature, such as crystal formations and molecular structures. Notable theories on Earth energy grids. On the planetary grid system. Developed by researchers like Ivan T. Sanderson and Dr. Bruce Cathy, this theory proposes a grid based on geometric shapes like dodecahedrons and icosahedrons, encompassing significant energy vortex points. 2. Vortex sites. Specific points on the grid, such as Sedona in Arizona or the Bermuda Triangle, are thought to exhibit heightened electromagnetic activity or spiritual energy. 3. Earth chakras. Some theories liken the energy grid to a planetary chakra system, with major energy centers at locations like Mount Shasta, the Great Pyramid of Giza, and Glastonbury. Historical and cultural connections. Ancient cultures and alignments. 1. Neolithic and megalithic builders. Many prehistoric monuments, such as stone circles and burial mounds, appear to align with solstices, equinoxes, or other celestial events, hinting at an understanding of geometry and astronomy. 2. Chinese feng shui. The ancient practice of feng shui emphasizes the flow of qi energy through the environment, reflecting similar ideas about energy lines shaping landscapes and human settlements. 3. Aboriginal songlines. Indigenous Australians believe in songlines, which are paths created by ancestral spirits. These routes align with natural landmarks and are considered carriers of spiritual energy. For South American and Mesoamerican civilizations, the Nazca lines in Peru and Mayan temples exhibit alignments that suggest a deep connection between land, energy, and the cosmos. Sacred sites and their locations. Proponents argue that many sacred sites lie along ley lines. Stonehenge, Avebury, and Glastonbury, Tor, England. These locations align on what some believe to be ley lines connected to ancient Druids. The Pyramids of Giza, Egypt. The pyramids are often linked to the global energy grid due to their alignment with celestial bodies and their role as energy conductors. Machu Picchu, Peru. This site is situated on intersecting ley lines and is considered a center of spiritual power. Scientific perspectives. Arguments against ley lines. 1. Coincidence. Skeptics argue that the alignment of landmarks is purely coincidental, given the vast number of ancient sites and features across the globe. 2. Human pattern recognition. The human brain is wired to recognize patterns, often imposing order on random or unrelated phenomena. 3. Lack of empirical evidence. No scientific studies have definitively measured the energy purportedly flowing along ley lines or grids. Geophysical theories. 1. Geomagnetism. Some researchers suggest that magnetic anomalies, such as those near fault lines, might explain heightened energy at certain locations. 2. Piezoelectric effect. Crystal formations in Earth's crust could generate energy under pressure, offering a natural explanation for energy phenomena near sacred sites. Metaphysical interpretations. Spiritual energy and healing. Many spiritual traditions believe ley lines and energy grids can amplify human consciousness or facilitate healing. Practices like meditation, yoga, and rituals are thought to draw on these energies to promote well-being. Portals and vortexes. Certain points on the energy grid are described as portals to other dimensions or realms of consciousness. These areas, such as Sedona or Mount Shasta, are popular destinations for spiritual seekers. Modern impacts and popular culture. 1. New Age movements. The 20th century New Age movement embraced ley lines and earth energy grids, blending them with concepts like chakras, astrology, and cosmic energy. 2. Conspiracy theories. Some believe ley lines were deliberately concealed by powerful groups, such as the Freemasons or Illuminati, to control Earth's energy for their own purposes. 3. Media and literature. Ley lines feature in books like The Da Vinci Code by Dan Brown and television shows like Ancient Aliens, fueling public fascination. The debate, fact or fiction? Arguments for ley lines as fact. Cultural universality. The alignment of sacred sites and natural landmarks across diverse cultures suggests a shared ancient knowledge of Earth's energies. Subjective experiences. Many individuals report spiritual or physical sensations when visiting ley lines or vortex sites, lending anecdotal evidence to the theory. Arguments for fiction. Cognitive bias. The idea of ley lines may be influenced by confirmation bias, where evidence is selectively interpreted to support pre-existing beliefs. Scientific invalidation. Mainstream science does not recognize ley lines or earth energy grids as measurable phenomena. Conclusion. Concept of ley lines and earth energy grids straddles the line between myth and reality, blending ancient wisdom, spiritual practices, and speculative science. While empirical evidence remains elusive, the enduring fascination with these ideas reflects humanity's innate desire to connect with the Earth and the cosmos. Whether ley lines are physical pathways of energy or symbolic representations of human connection to the land, they continue to inspire curiosity and exploration, leaving their ultimate truth open to interpretation.